I'm happy too. 아이고야. It's new car. Brand new, nice. 딱 괜찮은 옷 하나 딱 있으면 좋은데 이게 없어서 옛날인 거 같으니까. You know, I've been to many countries by myself for this journey, but the reason why I didn't really want to come to East Asia is for Korean, it's like usually couple place. Couple where family come together and then they have a time together. But a single traveler like me, what can I do here?
You try new things.
What can I do here? Massage? Thai massage? I'm alone, so what can I do? Okay, then 1,000?
Yeah, I give you 1,000.
Only 1,000 everything.
Yeah, this one. This one, all, I give you 1,000.
Thank you for taking care of this lonely old man, 아저씨. Thank you.
I have one question, my friend.
Yeah.
Why you are being different from other Korean? Because you have this like a very smiling face. Unlike the other Korean, they have
really?
a warm face.
I'm pretty sure they don't know I'm Korean. So different taste. Okay, so I'm from India. Can I try? This is Korean soju?
Yes,
Can I try?
yes,
Okay, which is traditional? Sorry, I'm Korean. Yeah, so I was gonna tell you, but I tried this one already. Chocolate, I really like it. Strawberry is something new. We don't sell in Korea. We don't have it. Yeah. Tagay. Okay, tagay. Yeah, tagay. Yeah, which is most.
A brandy.
Yeah. Which is really Filipino things.
This one.
Really? Hello. So you're our guide. Yeah.
And this is Claire.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
No plan.
Really? But you're taking tour, but no plan still.
Yeah, but no expectations, no plan.
Okay. That's cool. And then I hope you don't mind I film sometimes, please. Yeah, thank you. Everybody looks so nice here. Thank you.
Okay.
Except me. I look like I thought there was a specific plan, but she let me know that there is no plan like us.
Yeah, no plan.
Yeah. So thank you, guys, once again. Yeah. Can you please give me your name?
My name is Randy.
Landy. Okay, nice to meet you, Landy.
Randy.
Yeah, Gopro.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not nice. so there's a crack a lot. I'm not sure if this is actually waterproof anymore.
About
See.
the scuba diving.
I don't think I should try
Also, you
to.
can
No, it will be fine.
We're taking this. Oh. Is it okay? Hey. How's it, Claire?
It's nice. I'm just trying.
It looks so good for you.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh. So how do you feel, by the way?
I'm so excited.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my god, I can't wait. Like, look at the water. It's
Yeah,
so
it's
clear.
crazy.
So
Ah, the
nice.
color. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
You can even see inside.
Yeah, you can. I hope we will see a lot of fish.
Yes. And some no dolphin, but
No
still.
dolphin. Yes, I have no dolphin.
Wow.
Yeah, we're first for turtle watching. We will swim along the current to find turtle.
Gosh. Thank you, sir. Isn't turtle dangerous? They don't bite.
No.
Really? Oh, look. I think I heard that somewhere. Ah, okay. I really didn't expect that in the Philippines doing such a thing, but so cool.
I'm really happy.
Yeah, I'm happy too. You didn't sure. We are yelling here. Albert!
Yeah, we were looking for you and we were like, oh, where are you?
So you're on your...
We couldn't.
No. Oh, this is what we ordered, huh? Okay.
So this is
Squid. Oh, thank you.
500 pesos.
Yeah.
This is
Oh, there is a squid. Would you be okay?
I will just eat like.
Ah, okay. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Pwede pong pa-rice.
Oh, pang.
So you have this YouTube account.
Oh, yeah, I have accounts. Yeah.
Okay.
Not really big, but
We will start watching it.
yeah, it's garbage to watch it. Hey. You look like Captain.
I'm from Makati. And this one is Japanese guy.
Yeah.
Bottoms up, girl.
Yes. Go ahead. Yeah.
I started when I was 13.
Yeah. Ah.
So, and now I'm like over.
Ah. Finished. Graduated.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is Island.
Just the same.
Yeah.
The word that I say.
Jawai, Tagay, oh. 필리핀 사람이 생각해서는 원래 100 내야 되는데 30만 내래.
Let me film you, friend. So what can you say your experience here, my friend?
Yeah, it's really funny. So he said that I look like Filipinos. I'm gonna pay 30.
Maybe
Tagay!
because
You have just everywhere.
you have a brown skin. So hi guys, this is the Virgin Island. Let me show you how clear the water is. Hi Kuya, welcome to my vlog. So Kuya, how are you going to invite the foreigners to visit Bohol?
Visit to go, so very nice place.
Ah, alright. Why is it being called Virgin Island?
What?
Why is it being called Virgin Island, this place?
Why Virgin Island? Because it's virgin? You made me to say that.
50?
Oh, we already made a deal. So 30. So, Tagay,
30.
Tagay.
No, the guy.
Kota kina Tagay?
Tagay.
Give one glass, no beer.
Yeah. Unlimited.
There you go, Kuya. This is amazing tour guide from Virgin Islands.
Yeah.
I think he's a virgin and so freaking hot.
Yes.
Hi, friend. How are you going to rate this place? Like 10 is being the highest. No
Every
highlight.
place to come here.
Thank you for the great time. Okay, sir. Thank you.
100% Filipino now.
100%? Yeah.
Because of what?
Yeah. Because I jumped down. So thank you for the time, guys. Yeah, it was really amazing.
Hi guys, welcome to Panglao, Bohol. So this is the main place that you can see once you visit Bohol. And this is Alona. According to other people, they have a clear and blue and green water. However, me and my friend here, we decided not to swim there.
No.
Because of the dirt.
How do you feel working as a vlogger? What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, I think I like it.
Yeah, it was very
Overall, we like it. We
Really happy.
enjoyed
Thank you
it.
so much.
nice. Thank you.
Pero kuya, another question, because we are planning and we are thinking also to visit the Chocolate Hills only. Do you think how much it will cost? So
Local.
1,400. That's the final price. There you go, guys. We are now done in our island hopping. So we will go to Chocolate Hills to visit the famous Chocolate Hills that is being part of 7 Wonders of the World. So I hope we like it. So this is how simple life is here in the province. It's going to be a birthday of my friend here from Cavite. So I want you to greet her on her birthday. Happy birthday, my friend. What's your birthday wish?
Then I can pass my visa application, US visa application.
Amen. So guys, welcome to Tagbilaran. So these are my foreigner friends who's riding a tricycle right now. There you go, guys. We've already here. We've made it. We're here in Chocolate Hills. So how's your tricycle experience so
It was
far?
very nice.
It was very nice.
Bumpy, but it was cool. It was cool. Cool experience.
My half Filipino friend. How is it?
Yeah, it's nothing for me because Filipinos. It was really good. It was really good. I didn't expect it, but there was a nice system in there. Music
Solar
and
system was good.
There you go.
DJ was very nice.
so this is the entrance to the hill.
Yes.
Oh, cool. Watch your steps. That's Chocolate Hill.
Maybe 7.
So nature made, right?
Yeah. Really, really crazy.
Why did that happen?
Yeah, I really want to know.
Selfies.
One of the 7 wonders.
7 wonders
7 wonders. Okay, 7 wonders
of the world.
7 wonders. One of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay.
And this is my friend. Half Filipino, half Korean.
You really like to use the word.
I will take you one portrait.
There you go.
Yeah.
There is like.
Yeah, there's the cave from Puerto Princesa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Of a picture.
Cool. Yeah.
So there you go. This is our official photographer for today.
Yeah.
Go, friend.
Woo!
Happy birthday.
Half buddy.
What do you want?
You have to have pasta first, right?
Yeah,
What pasta do you like? Tomato or
I like white.
white? You like white pasta? Okay, so our guide. So, hey, excuse me. So,
Sorry.
so we're already going
I
for
don't
the
know.
nightlife. Yeah, nightlife of
We will
Bohol.
visit different bar here and check their vibes.
Yeah. Birthday girl, happy birthday. Let's go eat pasta. Yeah, but spaghetti, but why no? Why not carbonara? Why not?
No.
Because spaghetti is red. Red symbolizes happiness.
Really?
Yeah.
But spaghetti for me is white.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
This is the spaghetti, or even this one, it has a rice already.
So this is a birthday dinner. Yeah. In Jollibee with the spaghetti. Okay. There's a burger too?
No,
It's rice.
it's rice.
That's rice? Ah, okay.
It's so weird. No, it's actually
Oh, it's good.
alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Oh my god.
And then what do we do?
My friend, happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. With the spaghetti, yeah. Happy birthday. Surprise! Yeah, birthday tent.